We at BMW like to say that there is no comparison and that our cars speak for themselves, but we know that as customers, you guys are cross-shopping other brands, you're looking at other vehicles when looking at a BMW. So what we decided to do was make a series of videos and compare the BMW to whatever its competitor counterpart would be, whatever class of car that is. So this video is going to highlight the BMW 228 Gran Coupe and the Lexus IS. So let's take a deep dive and find out what makes these cars different, what makes them alike, and look at a real side-by-side comparison between the BMW 228 Gran Coupe and the Lexus IS. So two things that people really look at when they're cross-shopping vehicles are miles per gallon and trunk space, because both of those things really affect how you use your car in an everyday sort of way. So BMW wins in both of those categories against the Lexus IS. BMW gets 23 miles per gallon in the city versus Lexus IS is 18, and they get 33 miles per gallon on the highway versus Lexus IS is 24. So you're going to get better miles per gallon in this vehicle. Plus, BMW also wins in the trunk space category with an almost 2-inch larger trunk area than the Lexus IS, which is really important when you're trying to cram in a bunch of duffel bags for a girls' weekend. So one thing that Lexus does have that BMW does not have is standard 18-inch wheels on the Lexus IS. BMW's 228 Gran Coupe comes standard with 17-inch wheels. However, the Lexus IS only gives you one wheel option, just one. And BMW, when you log on to BMWUSA.com and build your 228, gives you a multitude of options. You can go 17, 18, 19, there's M Sport options, there's this multi-spoke, which is an 18-inch wheel. There's plenty of options for you if you want to change your wheel style on your 228 Gran Coupe to make it look a little bit different. The Lexus IS, hope you like what they give you, because that's all you're gonna get. So here's the fun part of the video. This is going to be the bang for your buck section of the video. This is where we're going to talk about what you get for your money with Lexus versus what you get for your money with BMW and what comes standard and what's extra. So something that's standard on BMW that pretty much should be standard on any car at this point is navigation. Navigation in Cockpit Pro is going to be included in any 228 that you purchase at BMW. However, the Lexus IS, navigation is not included. It's going to cost you $1,600 if you want navigation in your Lexus IS. Another thing that is not standard on Lexus IS, but is definitely standard on any BMW, is LED cornering headlights. Now, Lexus will give you LED headlights, but they're not going to corner and they're not adaptive. BMW's LED headlights are cornering and adaptive standard. If you want that on your Lexus, you got to pay up $1,200. So let's talk about some of the packaging. So when you log into the Lexus website, you can customize your car just like you can on the BMW website. However, one thing I noticed is that there's a lot of different packages on the Lexus website. It's not just this one or this one, simple, easy. There's all kinds of different packages. And it's hard to figure out what comes with what and if you're missing out on something. So BMW's made it super easy on the 228. There are two different packages that you can pick from. There's the convenience package and the premium package. The premium package is where you're going to get all kinds of nice stuff. You're going to get heads-up display, which is awesome and not standard on the Lexus, and I couldn't actually find it anywhere on the website. So I'm sure that they have heads-up display, I just couldn't find it anywhere. You're also going to get, obviously, your heated front seats and your heated steering wheel. You're going to get the additional updated traffic information as well as speed limit information. So something that BMW does not have standard that Lexus does, that I do want to give them snaps for, good job, is remote start. BMW is going to ask $300 extra on the 228 for remote start. Lexus IS, standard. But, I mean, there's so many other things that are way cooler than it. I mean, remote start is cool, but, you know, it's only an extra $300. And the BMW price, which we'll get to, is still way better, and that includes remote start. So what is the price that I made with these two vehicles that are pretty much identical? So this is where it's going to really surprise a lot of you. The BMW is significantly better priced than the Lexus for the exact same options on the build. So BMW, it's going to come in at $43,600, and that's all-wheel drive with premium package. It's got heads-up display, it's going to have the remote start, 18-inch wheels. As similar to the Lexus as I could possibly get it. The Lexus IS, which is, keep in mind, their entry-level vehicle, just like the 228 is, it's going to cost you $47,935 for the same thing. And you don't get a BMW engine. Like, what?
Better pricing, better features, and it's a better looking car. Look at that thing. It's beautiful.
So I hope this video has helped you if you're cross-shopping between the BMW 228 Gran Coupe and the Lexus IS. Now, let's be real. We already knew what the outcome of this video was going to be. This video is produced by Century BMW. But I think that this video has more than proved that the 228 is going to give you the most bang for your buck, the best options, and the better looking ride, the better driving ride. All around, the BMW 228 is going to be the winner. So what I would invite you to do is not take my word for it, but come down to Century BMW and test drive a 228 for yourself and see how it compares to the IS or any other vehicle that you're cross-shopping. So thanks for watching.